At the point when the E24 BMW 6 arrangement lapsed with the 80s, the organization chose the time had come to take its huge roadster upmarket, supplanting the 6 with the 8 in view of the 7 arrangement vehicle. Worked to inspire, the 8 arrangement was initially offered just with a V12. It was likewise estimated so high that numerous 6 arrangement clients couldn't or wouldn't make the jump. BMW's 8 arrangement yield totaled not as much as 33% of 6 arrangement creation, and the organization pulled the module 1999, in the long run relaunching the 6 of every 2003. Be that as it may, now BMW is poking its enormous 2 entryway upmarket once more. Styling. The look of BMW's cars may have turned out to be fairly stale, however the 8 arrangement idea BMW uncovered at the Concorso dell'Aganzan on the shores of Italy's Lake Como this year may predict an enlivening in the Werke's outline studios. The striking extent stress its longitudinal engine design, and the forks on the supports in the brand's marked kidney grille propose a readiness to object with even the most hallowed of styling signals. But on the other hand, there's much to attach this idea to BMW's available day lineup. Distending taillights inspire the challenging look of the i8 while the mammoth patterns in the front and back guards review the forcefully scalloped M2. The present 5 arrangement wears also gimmicky trapezoidal fumes finishers. The 08's edge will without a doubt mollify when it achieves generation, however the idea gives an unmistakable sign of what's to come. Inside. In spite of the fact that it will sit close to the 7 arrangement on the lineup, the 8 won't be remotely as extensive. It's cozy, with a high focus support and low seating position making the inside feel far littler than it is. Nothing about its control formats or itemizing demonstrates any kind of interface unrest, however the iDrive controller and apparatus selector are made of Swarovski glass. Seeing as the adornment's organization's precious stones made it into the headlights of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, it wouldn't shock us if BMW utilizes them in the generation show. All things considered, Munich's item arranging frequently occurs in Stuttgart, and the other way around. Body. Notwithstanding an assignment that proposes this is a 7 arrangement roadster, the 8 will hold the present 6 arrangement's relationship with the 5 arrangement car. While BMW's bigger, odd-numbered cars share a few parts, expect the new range-topping roadster to feel more like a 5 arrangement than a 7. It'll be 2 or 3 inches shorter and as much as 200 pounds lighter than the present 6 arrangement. The body and frame will be made essentially out of a blend of steel and aluminum, with a couple of select pieces cast in magnesium. As on the present 5, raise wheel directing will be discretionary. The 8 arrangement will supplant the full 6 arrangement lineup, so in the event that you require more space, and more entryways, there will be a 8 arrangement Grand Coupe. Furthermore, on the off chance that you approve of even less room, there will be a convertible also. Powertrain. This cutting-edge 8 will be more unobtrusively cylindered than BMW's first. There will be a 840i with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 and a 850i controlled by a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8. However, even the 6, which makes up to 335 pull in the present BMWs, will outperform the yield of the first 850i's 12-barrel. While it must entice for BMW to pursue the Mercedes-Benz S65, we expect the minute take rate of 12-barrel S-classes will shield BMW from troubling. What's more, we expect the 8 system situating to block the offering of a half-and-half model. Europe will get a diesel, yet we won't. ZF's 8-speed program will be the main transmission decision, and every one of the 8s, however the base 6-chamber autos will be all-wheel drive. Entry and pricing. The 8 arrangement will come to advertise in late 2018 as a 2019 model. Estimating will crawl north of the 6 arrangements as per the 8 submarket situating. 6-barrel autos will begin underneath $100,000, however the V8 likely won't. The opposition is thin. Porsche isn't precisely working extra time on that supposed Panamera Roadster, leaving the Lexus LC and the Mercedes-Benz S-Class car as essential adversaries. Be that as it may, we hear Daimler will relinquish the last mentioned and, as BMW is doing with the 6.8, take the following E-Class car up market. The two may take in a similar lesson in the meantime, get the cost and bundle right, and you can call your enormous car whatever you need.